President wa Itare Materela uria uri bururi-ini icera-ini ria thikũ inya ria kiwira amukiritwo thingira-ini wa iregi ni President William Ruto. Atongoria aya eri makigĩa na gĩikaro kĩa mĩario ya kũgacĩrithia ũiguano gatagatĩ ka mabũrũri maya merĩ. Ũmwe wa maũndũ ma bata marĩa meyumĩrĩtie arĩ kweherio kwa macira marĩa mathararirie waki wa ndemu cia Arror Kimwarer na Itare.
We've also committed in good faith to re-establish cooperation on the construction of Arror Kimwarer and Itare dams and other water and sanitation projects which are critical to our agenda on food security, delivery of water and climate action.
And the Italian government wishes to contribute very intensely to their swift finalization and overcoming the difficulties that we faced.
Niguo kugacirithia wonjoria atongoria aya ningi ni maugite mihinga ire tahutanitie na magoti gatagati ka mabũrũri maya meri ni kweherio.
And to promote greater trade and increased investment, including negotiating avoidance of double taxation agreement, which will usher in significant high levels of foreign direct investment in various sectors.
Our business communities have plenty of links and plenty of very intense collaboration. Several Italian companies operate here in Kenya, including on a number of very important projects in several sectors. And this goes to show that we collaborate in a number of crucial sectors.
Hamwe na uguo ama president aya ni mekirite wira gwikiranirwo kirore kwa mawiguano meri na itanya ria kugacirithia urutithania wa wira gatagati ka mabũrũri maya meri maundu-ini matiganite. Giikaro-ini giki bũrũri wa Itare no wiranire kuhe Kenya ciringi bilioni 14 iria ire cia uteithio na maroni manini tabarĩra-ini cia urimi, biashara, ugima wa mwiri gatagati ka maundu mangi.
100 million euros in grants and soft loans covering projects in agriculture, development of MSMEs, housing and urban settlement, health, the digital superhighway, and the creative economy.
President Materela augite Kenya ni bũrũri wĩigĩte wega gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Afrika ũrĩa megũthiĩ na mbere kũrutithania wĩra naguo. Ngĩribotera Arror TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.